Hello guys, in today's video I'll be asking someone to make the sound of someone getting tagged, and I'll use that sound every time I tag someone. Let's get started. Okay, so I asked Lime Green to make the sound, and then this is the sound that he makes. So I guess the sound I'll be using is... Okay, let's get into the other parts of the video. Also, I did have to do a voiceover for this video too. Okay, let's go. First, I always mute everyone in the video just in case someone swears, because I hate swears. So, yeah. You really thought I wouldn't use the sound, huh? Okay, okay, I'm coming for green, by the way. Why did I say by the way? You can obviously see. Okay. I'm gonna get you green. Also, can you use this time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button? Our goal, I said 500 by the end of the month, but I thought that was a little bit much. So I lowered it down to 50. So please, can we get 50 subscribers by the end of this year, not month. By the end. Also, if you like those edits that I do to transaction to the next thing, and you're wondering what editing app I'm using CapCut. So if you want this editing app, it's free. It's just called CapCut. Also, if you hear Daisy09 music in the background of the tag sound, that's because someone was playing Daisy09 music when I recorded that. Sorry, that one was a bit out of place. Also, the next part of this video is kind of just me running around, so if you want to watch that, go ahead. Also, if you ever want to meet me, my fan code is SGOATVR. I've said this in my description, but in case you didn't know, that's my fan code. Well, it's getting near the end of this video, so yeah. So I don't really know what to say. Bye. Please subscribe. This took forever to edit.